A lot of you have been asking me how I deal with everyday recurring tasks. So I spun up this real quick example for you so you can see how things migrate from my previous day, which is currently open, into my brand new next day. As you can see, I have a lot of tasks in my to-do list. And so let's say that this is yesterday's day, which that's actually the case. This is yesterday's to-do list. As you can see here, the 7, which is today's date, does not have a dot. That means that no notes have been created for the day because, well, I'm just starting off my day. Let me show you what happens with rollover to-dos. I click my next day, or let's say I just do my hotkey combination, which is Command-Shift-D for day, and that takes me directly into my day's to-do list. Here, let me do that one more time just because I want to show you that when you do the hotkey combination, or you create the notes, whatever, you have a little notification here that says X amount of to-dos rolled over. Now look, I get it. This plugin is extremely simple. It doesn't allow for a lot of modification, and that's actually something that I love about it. Let me show you what it looks like. Head on into your settings, go into community plugins, browse. All you have to do now is type in rollover, and it should be the only option. Let's look at it. And the example I just showed you is the primary picture here. To utilize the plugin, all you have to have is daily notes, or both daily notes and periodic notes if you are a periodic notes user. The other requirement is that you need a note folder set in one of these plugins. So inside of it, you must have at least 2 notes, and all of the notes must be named in the format you use for daily notes. So whatever date format that you're utilizing. Let's take a look at the settings now. So the first setting, by the way, look how simple this is. I love it. The first setting is the template heading that you want all of your daily to-do list items to go right under. So I have that right under tasks. Every single day, I get all of my to-dos from the previous day that I missed, and they just magically spawn into this header. Now, I do like keeping track of what I have set out to do every single day, even if I have missed those items, so I do not delete to-dos from previous days. And another reason I leave this off is because if you enable this, it's potentially destructive and may result in lost data. So no thanks, I will be keeping this off. Now this next setting, remove empty to-dos in rollover, I also keep off. That's because sometimes I use empty to-dos to organize the look of my to-do list. Sometimes I just have so many tasks, I need some kind of line break replacement. And the easiest way to do that is with an empty to-do. The next setting here, I don't know why the default is set this way, but by default, only the actual to-dos are rolled over. Doesn't make much sense to me because, again, I like to organize my to-dos, and any children of a main to-do that I have, I want to make sure that they're also rolled over so that I don't miss any steps. So that's why I have it on. And this last setting is pretty self-explanatory. It's an automatic rollover on daily note open, which is what I just demonstrated. Quick video for today, but I want to keep up with the daily posting, and these next few days we are back to normal with not only the scheduling, but of course much longer, more informative videos. And don't worry, I will be getting to everyone's comments, questions, concerns, both on the YouTube channel within the comments section of the videos, but also the Discord and emails. I have a lot to catch up on, but I do promise one thing, that I will respond to every single person. As always, thank you to all of my patrons. You make System Sculpt better every single day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again tomorrow.